Today's video is sponsored by Marlow. More on them later. In today's 3 Connoisseur secrets, I'm sharing a heatless waves tutorial, a cozy vegetarian winter meal, and a stylish wreath hanging tip. Won't you join me? Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. I have a lot of hot tools used on my hair, so today I'm trying a gentler approach, a heatless waves kit that I can use on off days when I still want to look a bit glamorous. You're going to need to start with semi-damp hair. If your hair is dry, you could use a spray bottle filled with water to dampen it, or brush it with a wet hairbrush. Place the large hair roller on your head and secure with a banana clip. Then divide your hair down the center and slightly tie one side back. Then start weaving your hair on one side and wrap it around the hair roller. Keep weaving in your hair in a backward motion, and when you get to the end, secure with one of the scrunchies included in the kit. Then repeat the same process on the other side. I've seen these a lot on YouTube, most recently on Josie's channel, which I'll link down below, along with this Heatless Waves kit, which is super affordable and from Amazon. You can leave it like this and sleep in it overnight, or if you are only putting it in for a few hours during the day, like I am here, you can tie the ends of the roller back and secure with a banana clip or use the included headband to keep your hair out of your way. It's been about 3 hours and I'm ready to take the roller out. This part is fun. Slowly pull the roller out and then run your fingers through the waves until you get them how you want them, or you can brush them out for softer waves. The longer you leave this in, the tighter your waves will be. Here's the before and after side by side. While the waves would not be considered polished, this is a pretty look for casual days when you still want that element of glamour. If you try them out, let me know how you like them. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I'm in my pajamas to tell you about the sponsor for today's video, which is Marlow. Marlow is the people's pillow, and I've been using mine for a few months now, and it is the most comfortable pillow. I absolutely love it. So Marlow is having a sale where you can get 25% off 2 pillows or 40% off for 4 pillows. And right now you can use my link below to get an extra 10% off. The pillows have 80% cooling infused memory foam, which contours to your neck, providing a balance of comfort and support, and 20% hypoallergenic down alternative microfiber, making it 100% vegan and allergy friendly. So my favorite thing about the Marlow pillows is that they are adjustable. They each have a zipper on both sides, and you can undo the zipper to make them softer, or you could do up the zipper to make it firm. I like a combination, so the way I sleep is with the unzipped side with my neck here, but then it's zipped over there. I just like it that way. So make sure you check my link below to take advantage of their sale for 2 pillows for 25% off or 4 for 40% off, plus an extra 10% off with my link. Thank you to Marlow for sponsoring today's video, and now back to the secrets. And now I'm sharing a cozy vegetarian winter meal. Red pepper bisque and winter baked apples. Take 8 red bell peppers and place them on a baking sheet. Broil the peppers 4 inches from the heat until the skins blister. This takes about 5 minutes. Then rotate the peppers a quarter turn with tongs and broil and rotate until all the sides are blistered and blackened. When they are charred all over, place the peppers in a bowl, cover, and let them stand for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, in a pan over medium heat, saute the chopped onion with butter for about 5 minutes. Set the onion aside when that's finished. Once the peppers have rested about 20 minutes, peel the charred skin off. Take out the stem and de-seed them. As you can see, I have a little helper here. Then in a blender, place the roasted peppers, sauteed onion, and 2 cups of broth. You can use chicken broth or vegetable broth to keep this vegetarian. Blend this until smooth and then place the mixture in a stock pot over the stove. Over low heat, stir in 2 cups of half and half and the remaining 1 cup of broth, and heat it slightly but don't boil it. You can season it with salt and pepper, and that's it. Once the soup is heated through, it's ready to serve. You can top with sour cream or plain yogurt for garnish, and parsley as well if desired. This soup is ultra rich and satisfying. It has a smooth and creamy texture, and the boldness of the red pepper is tempered by the cream. It's absolutely delicious, served with our favorite brown bread rolls with butter. And now I'll show you the quick and easy dessert that's perfect as a finale for a hearty winter meal: baked apples. Begin by peeling and coring your apples. If you can't find your apple corer like me, simply cut the core out carefully with a knife. Now mix together a mixture of oatmeal, brown sugar, cinnamon, and melted butter. Fill the core of each apple and top them off with the rest of the filling that doesn't fit in the core. You can bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 35 minutes. When the apples are removed from the oven, drizzle them with caramel if desired, and serve with vanilla ice cream. This is a rustic dessert that is also surprisingly elegant. And the final secret. I'm sharing a clever way to hang your door wreaths. If you don't want to put a nail on your door, which we have already done, I have a clever ribbon technique for you. Start by finding a ribbon that's strong enough to hold your wreath. I had some left over from our Christmas tree decor, so that's what I'm using here. Then, taking care, get on a stepladder and bring the ribbon to the top of your door. You can use a pin tack or a large staple or a hammer and a small picture hanging nail like I'm doing here, and secure the ribbon to the top of the door. No matter what you use, make sure that you can close your door, of course. And that's the look. This is a streamlined, minimalist look that's really beautiful, and I like that the hole goes on the top of the door, which you will never see. It's late at night and I'm going to pop in my AirPods and listen to some Christmas music while I do some planning. My editor, Evan Gallagher, who I know you all love, and his band, the Shoemakers, just put out their Christmas album. That's what I'm listening to. It's so good, and I will leave it linked down below. And thank you to Marlow for sponsoring today's video. Check out their sale where you can get 25% off 2 pillows or 40% off for 4 pillows, and use my link below to get an extra 10% off. Merry Christmas, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Love, Jennifer.